everyone, myself Navneet Kaur from College of Pharmacy. My today's topic is microencapsulation. It is very interesting topic. What is microencapsulation? So microencapsulation is defined as the packaging technology of solids, liquid or gaseous material with thin polymeric coatings forming small particle called as microcapsule. Means we apply some coating to microencapsules, that is known as microencapsulation. And the types of microencapsulation are extrusion, lyophilization, emulsification, spray cooling and spray drying. So, we are going to discuss about first type, that is extrusion. So, what is extrusion? Extrusion is simply a process in which we create objects of a fixed cross-sectional profile by pushing material through a die of the desired cross-section. Drawing is a similar process using the tensile strength of the material to pull it through the die. It limits the amount of change that can be performed in one step, so it is limited to simpler shapes and multiple stages are usually needed. Drawing is the main way to produce wire. Metal bars and tubes are also often drawn. So, our next type is lyophilization and freeze drying. These are synonymous. Lyophilization is a water removal process typically used to preserve perishable material, to extend shelf life or to extend the shape of material and the quality of the material. So, the third type is emulsification. What is emulsification? An emulsion is a mixture of two or more liquid that is normally immiscible owing to liquid-liquid phase separation. Emulsions are the part of more general class of the two-phase system of matter called as colloids. So, next type is the spray cooling. What is spray cooling? It is a technology of increasing interest for electronic cooling and other high heat flux applications and is characterized by high heat transfer, uniformity of heat removal, small fluid inventory, low droplet impact velocity and no temperature overshoot. Some models of spray cooling are also presented. Spray drying is a method of producing dry powder from a liquid or slurry by rapidly drying with the hot gas. This is the preferred method of drying of many thermosensitive materials such as foods and pharmaceuticals material, which may require extremely consistent fine particle shape size. So, what is the importance of microencapsulation? One of the most important benefits of the microencapsulation is improving the stability of nutrients, preventing ingredients, extractions and degradation. The coating matrix effectively separates particles and prevents them from contracting with each other. So, there are core material and coating material in microencapsulation. So, what is core material? We are going to define about core material and we are going to discuss about core material in microencapsulation. The technique of microencapsulation depends on the physical and chemical properties of the material to be encapsulated. The core material may be crystal or jagged absorbent particle, an emulsion or a Pickering emulsion, a suspension of solid or can be suspension of smaller microencapsule. Example of core materials are activated charcoal and liquid crystals. So, next is our coating material in microencapsulation. So, which material we use for the coating of microcapsules? So, it is a process in which tiny particles or droplets are surrounded by a coating to give small capsules with useful properties. The coating material generally used for coating are ethyl cellulose and polyvinyl alcohol. So, next is the microencapsulation processes. First is pan coating, next is spray coating and the third one is conservation phase separation. So, first pan coating is very important and interesting topic. So, coating pans are used to form the aqueous or organic film around any kind of pellets and tablets or microgranules. These pans are also widely used to sugar coat tablets. A coating pan is an essential requirement in pharmaceutical applications as done in diagram. So, next is spray drying. It is a method of producing a dry powder from a liquid or slurry by rapidly drying with a hot gas. This is the preferred method of drying of many thermally sensitive materials such as food, pharmaceuticals, materials which may require extremely consistent fine particle size. So, the third and important type is conservation phase separation. Conservation is a process during which a homogeneous solution of charged molecules undergoes liquid-liquid phase separation, giving rise to polymer rich dense phase at a bottom and a transparent solution above. So, what we conclude from microencapsulation means packaging of an active ingredients inside a capsule ranging in size from 1 micron to several from its surrounding environment until the appropriate time. Then the material escapes through the capsule's wall by various means including rupture, dissolution, melting or diffusion. So, this is all about microencapsulation. Thank you everyone.